Chickens dream. And while that sounds impossible, like a line from a children's story, science proves it's true. For centuries, humanity held a rather exclusive view of consciousness. We believed that the complex, vivid world of dreaming was a special privilege, reserved only for mammals like ourselves, our dogs, and our cats. But in recent decades, modern research has peeled back the layers of this assumption, revealing something truly shocking. Deep within the brain of an animal, we often overlook the humble chicken lies a capacity for something we once thought was uniquely human. Scientists have discovered that chickens don't just sleep. They enter REM sleep, the rapid eye movement state, the deepest and most mysterious phase of sleep, intrinsically linked to the vivid, narrative-driven dreams we experience every night. So, what exactly is REM sleep? It's a fascinating, almost paradoxical state. While our bodies are largely paralyzed, our brains ignite with activity. It's during REM that our minds get to work, sorting through the day's events. Memories are replayed, consolidated, and filed away. Emotions from our waking hours are processed and regulated. This is also when our brains reinforce new skills and knowledge, essentially practicing what we've learned. It's the neurological theater where our most memorable dreams unfold. And here's the astonishing part. Chickens experience this exact same neurological state. Their brains, like ours, become intensely active while their bodies rest, embarking on a nightly journey that is far more complex than we ever imagined. How can we be so sure? The evidence comes from staring directly into the sleeping chicken's mind, metaphorically speaking, using advanced technology. When scientists attach electrodes to a chicken's head and monitor its brain activity during sleep, the results are undeniable. Brain scans reveal that their neurons fire in rhythmic, dreamlike patterns, a symphony of electrical impulses that mirrors our own. These brain waves, the very signature of consciousness, are not just similar to those of a sleeping human. They are remarkably alike. The patterns show a brain that is not merely resting or shutting down. Instead, it's engaged in intense mental activity, replaying, processing, and experiencing a reality of its own making. This isn't just a bird dozing off. This is a complex mind at work. This naturally leads to a fascinating question. What could a chicken possibly dream about? Like our own, their dreams are built from the raw material of memory in daily life. Think about chickens' world. Their dreams are likely woven from the fabric of their experiences. This includes complex social interactions within the flock, the pecking order, the alliances, the squabbles. It includes the ever-present threat of danger, replaying close calls with predators or startling noises. It includes the simple but vital memories of finding food, scratching in the dirt, or dust bathing in the sun. And yes, it even includes us. Their interactions with humans, whether friendly or fearful, become part of their mental landscape. Their brains don't just shut off. They replay these critical experiences, running simulations to better prepare for survival in their waking world. But this isn't just a quirky biological fact. Dreaming has profound and practical importance for a chicken's intelligence and survival. Research has shown that dreaming actively improves learning and cognitive function. Chickens that are allowed to enter deep REM sleep consistently demonstrate better problem-solving skills than those deprived of it. They learn to navigate mazes faster, they remember the location of hidden food more accurately, and they show a greater ability to adapt to new and challenging situations. This mental rehearsal makes them sharper. They can recognize potential threats sooner, react more quickly to danger, and form stronger, more stable social bonds within their flock. Dreaming, for a chicken, is not a luxury. It's a cognitive tool that hones their minds and enhances their ability to thrive. What's truly remarkable is that this ability is not an anomaly. REM sleep is a shared phenomenon across a surprising range of species. It's found in humans, our canine companions, and our feline friends. But it's also been documented in a vast array of birds. From the common finch to the majestic eland. Of course, the chicken. The presence of such a complex cognitive process places chickens among a unique group of animals. Ones that we are only now beginning to understand possess a high degree of cognitive sophistication. This shared evolutionary trait suggests that the inner worlds of many animals are far richer and more intricate than we've ever given them credit for. It connects us, showing that the roots of consciousness run deeper and wider across the animal kingdom than we ever thought possible. So, if chickens are this intelligent, why have we misjudged them so profoundly for so long? The answer may lie in our own biases. We tend to look for intelligence that mirrors our own. Chickens don't show emotion the way we do. They don't have expressive faces that can smile or frown. Their vocalizations are not a language we can easily decipher, because their communication and behavior are so different from ours. We've historically dismissed them as simple, instinct-driven creatures. But this is a fundamental misunderstanding. Intelligence doesn't require human-like expressions. It doesn't require a familiar face or a recognizable voice. All it requires is awareness and internal experience of the world. The science of their sleep proves that chickens possess this awareness. Their brains are not just processing data. They are building a world inside their minds. This discovery is more than just a scientific curiosity. It carries profound implications. It forces us to stop and rethink our entire relationship with these animals. We can no longer view chickens as simple, unfeeling biological machines that just peck, cluck, and lay eggs. The knowledge that they dream that they have an inner life filled with memories, emotions, and experiences changes. It demands a new level of respect and a deeper consideration for their welfare. They don't simply exist in the world. They experience it in ways that are startlingly similar to our own. They have good days and bad days. They have fears and they have relationships. They are sentient beings, and the proof has been hidden in their sleep all along. The fact that chickens can dream opens up a universe of new questions. It shatters our old assumptions and invites us to look at the world with fresh eyes. If chickens can dream, if they can replay their memories and process their emotions in the quiet theater of their minds, then what else are they capable of? What other hidden depths lie within their consciousness, waiting to be discovered? Coming up next, we explore the startling evidence of how chickens feel empathy. Thanks for watching.